It's a terrifying moment, to say the least, caught on camera. A humpback whale is seen swallowing a 24-year-old kayaker in Chile, then spitting him out. This happening when a father and son were out on these icy waters. The father said he was recording when the waves appeared to show the whale come up and swallow his son. After a few moments, you can see the whale that appears to spit the man out. The son says it was his life vest that pulled him back to the surface. When asked if they would kayak again, they both said, of course.